You okay? I'm not okay. You okay? I'm not okay.
Oh, hi baby, you're home. How was your day? Did anything happen today?
I met this man at the void deck. He had a cap and sunglasses, and he asked me for help.
What kind of help? Did he bring you somewhere? Are you okay? Should I call police? Is he a bad guy?
Mom! Relax, I haven't finished.
Hey, boy. I got something to tell you. My son's blood is dying.
Uncle, don't worry. I love to help people. How can I help you?
Really? Oh, good. Let's find a place to bury the bird. Hey, son. I found a boy to help us.
So this is your bird that died?
I tried to save the angry bird, but I can't. Dad, where should I bury this?
Here! There are so many children here. The bird won't feel lonely.
Okay, let's do it.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day.
Oh, so that's what happened. You're doing a good deed and being helpful. But I think next time don't anyhow talk to strangers. Okay?
Hey, but just now at the void deck I met another man and he asked me for directions.
Walao, why cannot get through? Eh, boy. You know where's block 233 or not? See okay, good Eh, I coming to your house already, you better owe money, play money, Don't play, okay?
What? Again?
Wow, so cheap The price is so good. They bluffing people, is it? They think old people very easy to cheat, is it? What kind of world are we living in? Nowadays must be aware of scams and cheats. Think I better go check myself. The deal really true. I really bought so many things for my dinner. Hey, what happened here? You okay? Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay?
Auntie okay, relax.
Titi, can you call ambulance? Are you okay? Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay or not? Huh? Hey, boy, call ambulance. Are you okay or not? Hey, why is you stand there? Call ambulance. Hey, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay or not? Huh? Hey,
Auntie, it's okay, Auntie. No problem.
are you sure or not?
Yeah.
Boy, why is you stand there? Can you call ambulance?
But my mom told me not to talk to strangers.
Huh? What piang eh?
You okay?